Understanding incline conveyor in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of a specific phrase, incline conveyor. This phrase is commonly used in industrial contexts, but it's important to understand its components and usage in English. Let's dive in. Incline conveyor is a compound noun made up of two words, incline and conveyor. Let's break down each word. Incline. An incline refers to a slope or a surface that tilts upwards or downwards. It is often used to describe a surface that is at an angle to the horizontal. Conveyor. A conveyor, short for conveyor belt, is a machine used to move materials from one place to another. It's a common sight in factories, airports, and even supermarkets. When combined, incline conveyor refers to a type of conveyor belt that moves materials along an inclined, upward or downward sloping surface. Understanding the context in which incline conveyor is used is crucial. This phrase is typically found in industrial settings, like factories or warehouses where goods need to be transported between different levels. Technical descriptions, in manuals or product descriptions where the specifications of a conveyor belt are detailed. Workplace communication, among employees and management in industries where such equipment is used. Knowing this context helps in comprehending the phrase's usage in different scenarios. To help solidify your understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. The warehouse installed an incline conveyor to efficiently move boxes to the upper floor. 2. Safety instructions were given on how to operate the incline conveyor during the training session. 3. The technician mentioned that the incline conveyor needed maintenance for smoother operation. These examples show how the phrase is used in everyday language, particularly in industrial or technical settings. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, incline conveyor. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand how this phrase is used in English, especially in industrial and technical contexts. Remember, understanding the components of compound nouns like this is key to expanding your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.